Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change layouts inside of a collection list in Webflow. If you've ever wanted to display your dynamic content more stylishly or just organize things in a way that really fits your website's vibe, by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable transforming any collection list into a sharp, professional-looking grid. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, we need to add our collection list element to your page. So in Webflow, head over to the left sidebar and use the search function to find collection list. You'll see it pop up among the elements you can add. Just drag it right onto your canvas, wherever you want your dynamic content to live. Now this step is essential because the collection list is what allows Webflow to automatically generate and show each item from any collection. Think of it as a repeating wrapper for your CMS content, whether that's blog posts, products, team members, you name it. Now after adding your collection list, you'll notice a prompt or panel asking you to choose a source. This is where you connect your collection list to the actual collection you want to display. Maybe it's your blog posts, maybe products, maybe something custom you've set up. Just select your collection from the list here. This tells Webflow, hey, pull in all the items from this collection and set up placeholders for each one. It's a critical step because without specifying the source, your collection list wouldn't know what content to display. Alright, next up, it's time to add the content you want to show for each item, let's say an image. Inside the collection list, click to add an image element. You can drag and drop it right into one of the collection items. Now here's the important part. You want to bind this image to a specific field from your collection. So after dropping the image element in, you'll see the image settings appear. Click on Choose Image. You should now see a list of fields from your collection, including any image fields you've set up. Select the right one, and just like that, every item in your collection list will pull in its own image automatically. This connection is super powerful because you can now design a single layout and Webflow will fill in the details for every item in the collection. Now maybe you want to display these items in something a bit snazzier than a single column list. Let's try turning this collection list into a grid layout. To do that, simply click to select the collection list wrapper. You usually just click on the edge or use the navigator to make sure you've got the whole component selected. From your layout options at the top, choose Grid. Instantly, you'll see your collection items shift into a tidy grid formation, like rows and columns in a spreadsheet. This is a great way to show off products, portfolios, or anything you want to look organized and visually balanced. But don't stop there, it's always the extra polish that makes a site great. Let's center our grid. You can do this using the alignment options, usually found in the right-hand style panel. Just set your grid and its contents to center, and your collection items neatly arrange themselves across your page, looking much more balanced. And finally, don't be afraid to customize this as much as you'd like. Play around with the number of columns in your grid, adjust spacing, add backgrounds or borders, and think about how each item in your collection should look. You can add text, buttons, hover effects, whatever makes sense for your project. The beauty of using Webflow's collection list is that any design changes you make to a single item get applied across every entry, keeping everything consistent and easy to manage. And that's it, you've just learned how to change layouts inside of a collection list in Webflow and make your dynamic content look exactly how you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into a tricky spot, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Webflow tips and web design inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.